In today's video, I'll show you how to delete or erase everything from Android phone. You may want to start fresh with your phone or purchase you want to sell it or give it to someone else. In that case, it's important to remove all of your personal data from the phone. So, open the settings app on your phone. Once you are in settings, scroll down here you may see an option called accounts and backup. If you can find it, tap on the search bar at the top or bottom center, search for backup. Before deleting everything from your phone, make sure to backup any important data. This way, if you want to use that data later on a new phone or even on this phone, you can restore it from your backup. Also, if you have any important files, you can upload them to Google Drive or save them in another secure location. Now, to erase everything from your phone, scroll down and look for the General Management option. Tap to open it. Next, scroll down again, find the reset option. If you having trouble finish the reset option, you can use the search option in the top right corner and search for reset. When you find it, tap to open it. Now scroll down and find the factory data reset option, then tap on it. Take a moment to carefully review the information on this screen and make sure understand what data will be deleted. Keep in mind that a factory data reset may delete your personal data, apps and settings from the phone, so make sure you have backup all of your important data before proceeding. Once you want to erase all the data from your phone, tap on the reset option at the bottom, then verify to entering your phone password. After that, tap on delete all and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the process. And that's it. Your Android phone will now begin the factory reset process. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.